Today we have a dent in a DeLorean door. Back to the Future. So we get a lot of questions on if we could fix stainless steel appliances, and the answer is yes. We can get them pretty good. I would say like a 90% depending on the location. As you can see here, we had a pretty nasty ding right there in somebody's new appliance. We do ask for you to bring the appliance part in because we don't really do house calls. And this is not a door off of a DeLorean. This is a refrigerator, as you can see. Just throwing a little joke out there. DeLoreans are stainless steel and they are built like refrigerators.